Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into a handy feature on Gmail that allows you to hide contacts on your PC. Whether you want to streamline your contact list or keep certain contacts out of sight, this new update makes it super easy. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to gmail.com. Make sure you're logged into your account so we can access all the features together. Once you're in your Gmail inbox, look for the 9 dots next to your profile photo in the upper right corner. This icon represents Google Apps. Go ahead and click on it to open a menu filled with options. In this menu, select Contacts. This will take you to your contacts list, where you can view all the people you've saved. Now, scroll through your contacts to find the one you want to hide. Once you locate the contact, click on their name to open their details. After you've opened the contact, look for the 3 dots in the top left corner of the screen. This is your options menu. Click on those 3 dots to reveal more choices. In the drop-down menu, you'll see an option that says Hide from Contacts. Click on this, and just like that, the contact will be hidden from your main contact list. And there you have it. You've successfully hidden a contact on Gmail using your PC. Hiding a contact doesn't delete them. It simply removes them from your visible list, making it easier to manage your contacts. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. We'd love to hear from you in the comments. Let us know if you have any questions or if there's something else you'd like to learn about. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.